Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All Educational Videos and Tutorials. Today we are continuing with GameMaker TowerDefense template, and in this video I will try to show you how to sort your asset folders. So in asset browser you can change the structure of your folders, how they are arranged in which places, and for me that helps a lot later. If it doesn't matter for you, great, no hard feelings, no one cares, just don't watch this video. But if it does, maybe this will help you and you can learn something new. So in short, on my left side there is a window called asset browser, and you click on those icons of folders to open different assets, and then clicking on those assets they open here either in this workspace window or in new windows for rooms. Simple as that. But you will not use all of these folders mostly for your games, and you can see that some of those are white, meaning they have some assets in it, and those which are transparent you cannot click on those, like tile sets, timelines here in this template, because they are empty. This way here they are structured by alphabetically from A to Z. As much as I know, that doesn't work for me. Mostly it makes me lose time again, although it's logical for most of the people, but because I'm using some of those folders more than others, I like them sorted in some different way. To sort them in custom way, GameMaker actually gave you that option here in sort filter button here next to the search field to the right. There is one which says create asset. I don't need to do that. I don't need to go to menu. I need to sort filter. Click on it and you can see that for now it's A to Z folders first. I will now click on custom order checkbox. Those two disappear, so now custom order is active. So now I can click and drag these folders and rearrange them in the way I like. So yeah, sprites are actually first now, which is great. When they were A to Z, sprites were somewhere below here. So maybe I already rearranged this before. Yeah. So sprites are now first. I like that. Why? Because I mostly start with the sprites, and when you want to make a game in GameMaker and other game engines, you have to put sprite in the objects. You can actually put, this is for example empty objects. These objects, they do not have the sprite, but most of the, as you can see yourself, most of the stuff here are sprites. Zombies are objects with sprites, towers are objects with sprites, so you will need sprites as a starting point. Then after that sprite you need objects. Here it is, click and drag it, not in the sounds but above, and if you put it actually in the sounds, no big deal, just drag and drop it again from it. So I want sprites, that means artwork first, then objects, because I want to put sprites which I make to create objects. That's the workflow in GameMaker. Then I want maybe scripts because I want to code, or even for some of you scripts would be above the object. So make a sprite, make a script, put it in object, like that's, for me this makes more sense. Sprites, objects, then I create scripts later. First it's mostly sprites and objects, then scripts, then rooms, then I put that into the room. So sprites, objects, scripts, rooms. Fonts, I don't use them. Notes, yeah, notes would be the first, because I would write down there what I have made so far, some kind of help, what do I need to make, and stuff like that. So notes, sprites, objects, scripts, rooms, sounds good to me. Font sequence, this other than this, okay, so these are empty, so I don't care about them so far. Extensions, tile sets, animation curves, no big deal. Shaders, I will not change the shaders, I'm not good with it, I don't know how to do it on professional level, so I will leave it below. Paths also, maybe I will need them, probably more than fonts. Fonts would be the latest things. Fonts would be the latest thing for me. Shaders also. Sound sequences, paths would be maybe before the room, or because yeah, they are very important for this type of game. For most of the games you will not use them, but for tower defense game you mostly need some kind of path for zombies, for enemies to follow. So sprites, objects, scripts, paths, room, sounds. Yeah, I'm not going to change that for sure. I'm not music artist. Sequences, yeah, maybe also. Yeah, I will leave it like this. No big deal. I can change it later. But in short, this is something which suits me, which works best for my type of development. Notes, and I can leave that open. Sprites, objects, scripts, paths, rooms, sounds, and later those things from sounds to extensions. I will not use them probably. These 1, 2, 3, 4, first 5 folders are very important for me, so I can click on them fast, know where they are, and later, because you can see how many of those you can open, and how this becomes so crazy and complex, and this is only one level. When you open a couple of those, so for example, okay, I need my wave manager open to check some code. Here it is. Okay, I need some zombie, obj zombie, here it is, to check that one also because it is spawned by this way. Okay, I need to find now some kind of tower, you see, so it's all here now, but it's all very easy for me to find out. Again, just imagine how complex game becomes when you have like 50 or 100 levels which have lots of different enemies, different music, sound effects, different code, different game design and stuff like that. Things become very messy, so use these features in GameMaker, like sorting your assets to your benefit as soon as possible. Later it would be very hard to find your way here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.